Now here I often get asked a lot. So step 4 is actually to fine tune your engine of your rocket. This is where you really optimize your rocket's engine and really make use of efficient learning methods to just accelerate your rate of progress. So input's great, but if you just rely on input, you're going to be learning a lot more slowly than if you start adding in flashcards. So at this point, you're going to be optimizing your retention of what you're learning. Now, do you remember what I said about making notes of useful words and phrases in the previous step? Well, this is where they're going to come in handy. Now, what I want you to do is to put them into Anki, as I said, 5 to 10 new flashcards every day, and go about learning them in this way. Now here I often get asked a lot, what kind of flashcard should you use? Well, I tend to use close deletion flashcards. So what that means is I'll take a sentence from the input that I'm kind of absorbing in, that I'm immersing in, and then I'll put it into Anki as a close deletion with a small prompt to kind of guide me as to what word's missing if it's not clear from the context. I also review it in a specific way. Most people, when they're reviewing Anki flashcards, they're just trying to get through them as quickly as possible, and that's fine. But what I like to do is spend around 10 to 20 seconds on each flashcard, and when I'm doing that, I'll read out the flashcard, the whole sentence in its entirety in Mandarin, answering the close deletion, and then I'll try and make a few sentences just based off the initial sentence, to try and change it ever so slightly. So a combination of these different types of flashcards, 5 to 10 a day, and you'll start to see your progress really skyrocket in terms of how much you can understand and how much you're actually retaining of the language, which is really important.